In this system demonstration, I'm going to show you how to complete a quote, send an invitation to a patient to apply, and the steps a patient will follow to complete a payment plan application, all in about 5 minutes. To quote, enter the total cost of the treatment plan and click Next. On this screen, you will see the two product options, the Smile Choice Zero Deposit Loan and the Smile Choice Interest-Free Payment Plan. On this screen, it's important to show the patient the repayment amounts for each product and the respective deposits required. In this example, we'll choose the interest-free payment plan. We need to ask the patient these 3 questions to ensure they qualify to apply for a payment plan. Are you an Australian resident? Can you afford the monthly repayments? Do you have a good credit history that you're aware of? The quote is complete. If the answers to the previous questions are yes, you'll see this screen which confirms that the patient qualifies to apply for a payment plan. The invitation to apply will be completed by a staff member in the dental practice and will be completed in 2 screens. To do this, simply complete the patient name and contact details and upload a copy of the treatment plan like this. It's important that you enter the correct mobile number and email address for the patient, as there will be electronic communication with the patient during the application process. You will also need to input the treatment plan amounts and the deposit to be paid by the patient. This screen allows the practice to send the invitation to the patient by email. There is a link in the email that will take the patient to this screen. All inputting from here will be done by the patient. It's a simple process and will take less than 5 minutes for a patient to complete. To make the process easy, the patient details will be pre-populated from the information completed in the dental practice. The patient will also need to complete their address details and preferred method of contact in case we need to speak to them about their application. One great feature about this system is that if the patient can't complete the application in one sitting, the system will automatically save the information completed and allow the patient to complete the application when they next access the system. The patient will need to enter their driver's license details and acknowledge that they've read the privacy consent form. The system will then perform a credit check to confirm the patient's credit history. Good news! This patient's payment plan application has been approved. To complete the application, the patient will need to complete their bank details, electronically sign the contract, and submit the documents online. The patient simply fills in their bank details of the account the direct debit payments will be taken from. The patient will then see the payment plan agreement. A copy of this is emailed to the patient, but you can also print or save a copy at this point of the application. If everything is okay, click Continue. Here the patient simply needs to confirm that all the information in the direct debit form are correct. To complete the contract, the patient needs to click Yes to confirm the declaration and type the word yes to accept the contract before clicking Continue. Once the patient clicks Continue, they will receive a text message with a 5-digit code that they need to type in to validate the contract. The payment plan application is now complete. Both the patient and the practice will receive notification of this. The practice can arrange for treatment to be booked in.